Hey guys, it's me Poonam and I hope you all are doing good. And in our today's video, we are going to discuss 5 morning healthy habits which will change your life forever and will also help you a lot in your weight loss journey. So let's just find out what are these habits like. It is rightly said, if you win your morning, you win your day. So make sure that you start your morning right, and the first thing you need to do the morning you get up is switch off your mobile. Now you all must have been thinking how mobile has got anything to do with weight loss, but yes, early morning we get up and we don't realize that we spend so much of our time on our phone, and then when we get late we start panicking, and stress, panic and anxiety has got a direct impact on your weight. So guys, make sure that you get up maybe half an hour prior to your normal routine so that you start your morning right, and also practice mindfulness. Observe each and every thought, observe your every morning, whatever you're doing, just do it with your complete awareness, right? And start your day with a positive thought. And the next point is, the moment you get up, just switch over from your nightwear to your activewear. Now, you all must have been thinking again, then what it has to do with weight loss. But guys, in its name in itself suggests activewear. So it keeps you active and changes your mood, which further leads to improving your metabolism. So let's do our next point now. Start your day with a glass of water, and then I always suggest start with normal room temperature water, and after that you can have 2 to 3 glasses of lukewarm water, and also you can add a lemon or immunity booster, sort of those tulsi leaf drops into it, because that will detox your body and will also boost up your immunity. But yes, always start with plain water first. Water not only clears your internal system, keeps your gut clean, which in further improves your digestion, and that leads to better metabolism. And guys, this is my me time. I love this time the most. I always try to get up like half an hour prior to my normal routine so that I get this beautiful view. इतनी सुंदर पहाड़ियाँ हैं मेरे घर के पीछे, and the air is so fresh. I mean, this view in the morning is so refreshing, and I just enjoy my like whole days 1 to 2 liters of water early morning, sitting here sipping and enjoying the nature. And I'll also tell you guys the correct posture of having water early morning when you get up. So guys, this is the squat position which we say malasana. And early morning when you're drinking water, try to sit in this position and then drink your water, because this will really help you, keeping all your intestines clear and will sort out your problem of constipation. Our next point is workout. Guys, I know early morning we feel that we have lack of time and motivation, but this is very important. Even if you are able to take out maybe just 15 or 20 minutes, make sure that you work out. And the best thing I can tell you is you can play some nice music. I play my very meditative music because that really, boosts up my mood. You can play some nice and peppy music also, so that it just builds up your mood for the workout. And please never ever miss this point. And I think I don't need to tell you why workout is important. So 15-20 minutes of workout also, if you do, that's good enough to start your day and will keep you active and energetic whole day. So guys, there is a lot of disturbance here. पीछे construction चल रहा है घर के. You may get disturbed noise. And guys, if you are worried and tense and lost about workout things, so I've already shared many videos on my channel. I'll share the playlist here. You can play any of those videos, and it's a like 20 minutes quick workout sort of thing. You can practice from there. And the last point is our breakfast. That makes a lot of difference, guys. And most of us, just avoid it, ignore it, or eat whatever you feel like. But for me, this is my most favorite meal of the day, and yes, very important. So make sure you take a very balanced diet in the breakfast, especially, and try to take more of protein, which we usually lack in our diet. So try to add it into your diet. And guys, one very important point when you're having your breakfast, please chew it properly, because if you chew your food nicely, then half of your digestion is done in your mouth only. And weight loss and any other thing, it's all about digestion, guys. So I hope that all these points are clear to you, and just एक बार just try to add these points into your daily life. Just try to make these changes and let me know after, maybe 1 or 2 months how you feel after doing all these, adding on these healthy habits in your routine. So guys, I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video with me, and now I'm going to take my shower. See you guys in my next video. Lots of love, blessings to you all, and yes, if you have not subscribed to my channel, then please do so.